Happy Friday, everybody. Oh, today is a sunny day, but it's really windy outside. But I wanted to be outside. So I'm actually in my garage and I'm just tinkering around with things. And I thought, okay, I need to shoot this video. Last week, we talked about becoming a professional asker. Today, it's about being a professional ignorer. Now, I'm not talking about those naysayers we have. Those people, no matter what you do in your life, someone has something negative to say. We have to learn to ignore those people. And that's why our why is so important. It's a motivator for when we have hard days, but then it's also a motivator when we do have those naysayers in our life. But more importantly, the one that is the worst is what's in our own head, in our own mind. We do it to ourselves. You know, we tell ourselves we can't do something, or, oh my gosh, there's no way I'm going to be able to earn that trip to Hawaii. Yes, you can. You can. But we tell ourselves we can't. And like I've always said, if you tell yourself you can't, guess what? You can't. So you got to tell yourself that you can. And, you know, we have a choice. We need to train our brain. Our choices, and I always say, people are a product of their choices. So make the choice to either decide to be in the land of drama, where you are in that victim mindset, that you can't do anything because of circumstances, or that you don't know anybody. I mean, you're going to always throw up an obstacle. You can be in the land of drama, or you can decide to be in the land of dreams. In the land of dreams, it's a land of abundance, and it's a positive mindset that you can do it. You can. So, you know, and it starts up here. So you have to tell yourself that you're capable, that you can do it. And then you got to speak it. Okay? So you're thinking it and you're speaking it. And then it's going to go to your heart. And now you're feeling it. So now you're thinking positive, you're speaking positive, and you're feeling positive. So now it's a little bit easier to ignore those negative thoughts. And after you're able to think it, speak it, and feel it, it's going to move out to the extremities, to your hands and to your feet. And now you're taking massive action of positivity, and you are unstoppable. Yes. So think about that. You know, ignore those thoughts. Now, one more thing. Guilt. When we do achieve our dreams, sometimes we self-sabotage by feeling guilty. I did this last year. I joined Avon in spring, and I was able to earn that trip to the Dominican Republic. I was so excited. My upline was excited for me. They recognized me. I was in the afterglow. And then a couple days later, I was like, do I really deserve this trip? I haven't even been an Avon rep for 6 months. Do I really deserve it? And then I had to just smack myself around, tell myself to snap out of it, because I met the requirements. I did the work. I earned the trip, and I needed to feel good about it. So when you do something and you have a success, be fully present in that success and in your positivity, because it's just gonna glow even more, and it's gonna impact others, and it's gonna influence other people around you that want to do the same. So tell yourself you're capable. Tell yourself that you got this, and ignore all of those negative thoughts. So, okay, so have a great day today. I'm going to get back to my garage, and I'll talk to y'all next week. Bye.